Alright, we're at the Holiday Inn Express in Vernon Hills. And we got a Dover Impulse in here.
I can hear you now. The phone taking it out. What's your last name?
There's the store. And there's the hotel hallways. Sounds like the elevator's going up. Here's what the pool looks like. Not a very fancy hotel, but it's definitely a decent place. And then there's the lobby. Sounds like it's coming down now. Here it is. Funny, it opens into the ice room. Let's not let it close. It might go back down on us. There's the lantern. This cab, I'm pretty sure, is new. It used to have just one of those much more plain wood laminate cabs, more common that you see on the Dover Impulses. This is like a new snap cab or something. I don't know if it's a snap cab. I don't see the logo, but all right, down to one. There's two locked. Looks like there's a floor lock out. It's funny they just put a regular handle in. It's a Viking phone, or no, it's a Wrath Microtech phone. Here's your COP. Very plain, but you know, just regular Dover. Nothing special. Back down to one. Here's your inspection.